The time has come to change out my Ozzy mat. Here's week 1 of what my mat looked like. And here's week 2 of what my mat looked like. Now, some weeks are heavier than others, but we want to change these filters out every week to make sure that we're keeping the Ozzy juice in the best condition that we can. And they're simple to change. Just take out the screen and the tray and peel them out. Now, it's time for me to go ahead and replace the last one. I apologize for missing week 3, but you get the point. So what we're going to do is just take the tray out and take the last filter out along with the OzzyMat. So the OzzyMat is the blue part down at the bottom, and that's going to keep all that nastiness all wrapped up, and we're going to throw it away in the proper location. Now, you can pick up your replacement mats at a lot of different places. You can get them from the local parts store, your local tool and equipment supplier, or even online. They come in a nice bag with 4 sheets in there and the brand new OzzyMat. So this is where all your bacteria lives. So when you put these back into your CRC smart washer and you run the fluid through it, you're going to get new bacteria every time. So it says this side up, so we just put that down. Put your tray back in and you're all done. No longer do you have to scrape the sludge out of the bottom of your parts washer. With these filter systems in place, it's going to take out the cleaning process almost completely. Simple enough. Just make sure you change them. Every week, change the mat. Every 30 days, change the whole OzzyMat, and you'll be clean and ready to go for the next time. I'm Chad from Flash Performance. Thanks for watching. See you next time.